Welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking, and on today's episode I want to show you how I make Dudh Pithi or Dudh Pithi. It is on your request. The ingredient is milk, whole milk, liquid, saboudana or sagoo soak in water. It's been half an hour since this is in the water. A can of condensed milk, a bit of sugar, few cardamoms, granulated sugar, and just a bit of oil, and then my flour. To my flour I'm gonna add just a pinch of salt, and you also need water. Hold on. Add water little by little and mix until everything combines to a dough, and the water is lukewarm. And you can see it's been already a dough, but like rough. Just put your fingertips in the oil, and we don't need to add oil, but just to stop it is sticky, and then it will help you to make the dough into smooth, just like that. And then let's again. Okay, just until your dough stops sticking. You can also add flour as well. We also need some dry flour, and I'm using a tray. I move all my stuff away for now. I need my tray with dry flour, and my dough looks good. See, adding dry flour too helps to stop it to sticky, just like so. Grab little by little piece, like a size of a piece, like a pea size, and then just roll, just like that. It's not gonna be sticky or anything. Do not put excess flour to your tray. This size, I think it's perfect. It's up to you. If you have time, you can do smaller, or you need 2-3 people together, then it's gonna be done quickly. So you can see that I just used about 2 cups of flour. I didn't make that much because this is really time consuming, and it is weekdays over here, so I really don't have time to make for like more than 2 cups of flour, but I think this is good enough. And then keep doing until done. I have a pan here with heavy bottom, and it is non-stick. I added my milk, and then my condensed milk. I supposed to add the cardamom first, okay, and then the saboudana, sagoo. I have throws of water. You're gonna add that as well, and the heat is over medium low. And the Dudh Pithi that is done. Try to avoid the excess flour. Now you want your Dudh Pithi to cook, and keep stirring it time to time. It's been 15 minutes. My heat is still over medium low, and this is how it looks like. It's not ready yet, but it's cooking slowly, and I kept stirring time to time. Okay, so I'm gonna let this cook, and until done. It's been 40 minutes. Add sugar, mix, and this is almost ready. You can see it's become a little bit bigger in size. And I'm gonna turn the heat off after 5 minutes. My Dudh Pithi is ready and looks good. It is all homemade. This is all matter. Try this and I guarantee you're gonna like it. It's gonna take a little bit time to make it, but when it comes to homemade, that's all it's matter. Give this video a like, thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Get the full written recipe down below, and I will see you next time. Bye.